Hello, teacher. We are from Group 9. Our team member are Udam and Jonathan. The topic of our project is talking about Microsoft system. So, the first step, I will presentation about employee login and sign up account. In this case, I create two functions. The first function for employee sign up account and the second function for employee login account. So in these two functions, I use return type function to validation username. The user input are existing file or not. So before user using the system, they need to sign up an account first by using uh, input a username and password. So all the information that user input are stored in the file tree. So later, if they want to use the system again, they just go to login and put username and password that they have already signed up. So by the way, if a new user want to use the system, they also need to sign up. But if they put a username that the same as an information that's stored in the file, they need to put another username. So the last point, if they want to um, another more, they just enter number 0 and they want to log out their account, they just enter number 1.
Okay, the next slide is about the customer order and confirm. I allow the user for place the order of their favorite product and the quantity. And this condition I use for check if the customer didn't enter any number in the menu, so I let them enter again. And also this condition I use for check that if they didn't enter the quantity or the quantity equal to 0, then I let them enter again. After order, I also ask the customer for all the other product if they want. But if they didn't want, they can enter 0 for finish order. And when they enter 0 for finish order, I will calculate the price for them by using this total function. When they confirm that all about they need, I will print bill for them. And this is the function used for print bill. I use the unreturn type function. For this file, I use for store the report or the report. So if the admin want to look back or want to check the report of this month or this year, they can check if they want. And this function I use for print the date, the time of the year. And this is the function I use for print the price of the product. This is also the function I use in the main program. It is used for store the menu for easy to call in main program.
Okay. For this part is about crude item. Is to product management. We manage our product by using crude operation. For the first operation is create. It is about to add new item to the file menu. One user choose to add new item to file menu. Our code will show them the menu and give a choice to enter the item numbers, name and price. And then it will ask to confirm the adding. Will the user is about to add the item to the list? If it is, then the user will press 1 to confirm. And if the user press 1 to confirm, so uh, it will fall to the condition and add the uh, data to the file menu. And moreover, it still has one more confirmation to the user that do the users want to add another item to the file menu. If the answer is yes, and then it will fall back again to the condition and add the data to the file menu. If the answer is no, it will leave the condition. And for the second operation is read. It is about to read item from file and display on the console. When user choose to view the file menu, I will call to the function, and the function will go to read all the data from file and then store in the array. And after that, we will display them out from the array onto the console to show the user. And for the third operation is update. It is about to update new item in the file menu. To update new item into file menu, we first have to copy all data from the menu file and store them in the array. And then our code will ask the user to input the number that they want to update. When the input number is exists in the file, I, I, the code will ask the user to input the new item name and new item price for updating. But if the input number is not exists in the file, it will show that the item is not listed. And for the last operation is delete. It is about to delete item from file menu. For deleting the item from file, we first I also have to copy all data from file and store them in array too. And then ask the user to input the number of item that they want to delete. After getting the input, and do the delete operation already, it will write all data back into the file again. Done.
ជំរាបសួរលោកគ្រូខ្ញុំឈ្មោះអាដាមមកពីក្រុមទី2ហើយនឹងទទួល responsible ទៅលើផ្នែក report និង system អូខេអញ្ចឹងតើទៅនឹង report ហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់ part report នៅក្នុង POS system មួយវាដើរតួសំខាន់នៅក្នុង POS system ហេតុអីដោយសារតែយើងអាចបង្កើត report ហ្នឹងមកមើលអ្វីដែលយើងបានលក់ក្នុងកំឡុងពេលណាមួយហើយយើងក៏អាចមើលថាតើsystem ឬក៏ហាងរបស់យើងហ្នឹងដំណើរការចាប់តាំងពីពេលបើកលក់មកហ្នឹងទទួលបានផល profit ជា revenue បានប្រមាណខ្លះចឹងដោយសារយើងអាចធ្វើ analyze ថាអូខេចាប់ពីយើងបើកលក់មកយើងលក់មិនដែរចឹងណាហើយយើងអាច check ទៅលើ business growth របស់យើងថាតើវាមាន grow ប្រមាណភាគរយក៏ grow មិនអីមិនដើម្បីរៀបចំងាយស្រួលរៀបចំធ្វើជា business plan យើងជាថាថ្ងៃក្រោយហាងយើងគួរតែ upgrade អភិវឌ្ឍរបៀបម៉េចដែលពឹងផ្អែកទៅលើ data ជា report ទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងចឹងអូខេចឹងនៅក្នុង system យើងគឺយើង include ជា5 feature ធំៗនៅក្នុង report ដែលទី1គឺយើង generate ជា report ទី2 update report ទី3 get report by date ទី4 get a report និងចុងក្រោយគឺ get report by item so ខ្ញុំសូមចូលទៅក្នុង feature មួយហើយខ្ញុំក៏មាន design ជាក្នុង slide ដែរប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំគិតថាខ្ញុំសូមចូលផ្ទាល់ទៅក្នុង code ហ្មងដោយសារតែវាប្រហែលជាស្រួលជាង so នេះគឺជា function របស់យើងដែលយើងធ្វើសម្រាប់ report អញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំសូមនិយាយទៅលើ feature ទី1ទាក់ទងទៅនឹង generate report អញ្ចឹង generate report ហ្នឹងគឺជា function ដែលយើងជាប្រភេទ return type ហើយយើងជ្រើសរើសប្រភេទគេហៅថា boolean ដែលវានឹង return ជាតម្លៃ true នៅពេលដែលវា execute function នឹងចប់អញ្ចឹងនៅក្នុង function ហ្នឹងគឺយើងបោះ parameter 2ទី1ឈ្មោះ file ទី2គឺ order item កន្លែងនេះខ្ញុំចង់បញ្ជាក់ថាអានេះជាប្រភេទ structure ហើយ structure ខាងលើនេះគឺបានចូលក្នុង structure មួយដែលនៅក្នុង order item វាមាន property item ID item title item price item quantity item total price ហើយនិង order date so យើងនឹងទទួល file name ហើយនិង order item ដែលគាត់ចង់មានថាពេលដែលគាត់ generate file ហ្នឹងហើយគឺគាត់ត្រូវបោះតម្លៃ order ចូលទៅក្នុងហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងណាហើយនៅពេលដែល function execution វានឹងឲ្យ report ជា true ជាងនៅពេលដែល function នឹងចប់គឺវានឹងបង្កើតបាន file មួយឈ្មោះអ្វីដែលគេបានដាក់ហ្នឹងហើយវានឹងក្នុង file នេះគឺវានឹងមានitem ដែលគេ order នៅក្នុងហ្នឹងហើយដល់ពេល feature ទី2គឺ update report អញ្ចឹងមានថានេះគឺយើងចាប់តាមខោនៅពេលដែល report នៅពេលដែល order របស់គាត់ចាប់ពីទី2ទៅអានេះ first order នៅក្នុងហាងគាត់ first order សម្រាប់ហាងគាត់គឺវានឹង generate report តែដល់ពេល second order ទៅគឺវានឹងចូលទៅ update report ចឹង update report ហ្នឹងក៏យើងជាប្រភេទ boolean ជាប្រភេទ return type function ដូចគ្នាដែលវានឹង return ជាតម្លៃ true ហើយនិង false ហើយហ្នឹងគឺយើងត្រូវការ parameter ពីរដូចគ្នាទី1 string file name និងទី2 order item ដូចគ្នាហើយនៅក្នុងនោះយើងនឹង check មើលថាតើ file ហ្នឹងគឺគាត់ exist ហើយឬនៅបើសិនជា file នោះអត់ exist ទេគឺយើងនឹងហៅ function generate report តែបើសិនជា file នឹង exist ហើយគឺយើងនឹង add report ថ្មីចូលទៅក្នុង file ហ្នឹងចឹងបន្ទាប់ពីយើង add ចប់គឺយើងនឹង return ជាតម្លៃ true ហើយនៅក្នុង function នេះគឺយើងប្រើប្រាស់ array data structure array យកមកapply ដោយសារតែយើងគិតថាការប្រើប្រាស់ array គឺវានឹងមានការ execute លឿនជាងការប្រើប្រាស់ list so that is why យើងជ្រើសយក array សម្រាប់នៅក្នុង function មួយនេះយកមកប្រើប្រាស់ហើយហេតុផលមួយទៀតដោយសារតែតម្លៃនៃ size របស់ array គឺសុទ្ធសឹងតែជាតម្លៃដែលយើងអាចដឹងទុកមុនចឹងហើយគឺវាមិនពិបាកទេក្នុងការយក array មកប្រើប្រាស់ទៅនឹងការដឹងចំនួន size array ចឹងណាព្រោះថាតែយើងអត់ដឹង size array យើងយក array មកប្រើប្រាស់ទៅវាពិបាកតែនេះយើងដឹង size វាមុនចឹងវាអត់មានបញ្ហាទេហើយ execute វាលឿនទៅជាល្អជាង list អូខេហើយ function ទី2គឺទៅទៅនឹង get report by date ដែល get report by date នេះគឺយើងទទួលយក item ពីរដូចគ្នា file name ហើយនិង date ដែលគាត់ចង់មើលអញ្ចឹងនៅក្នុងនោះគឺនឹងឲ្យជាលទ្ធផលវានឹង return ជា array នៃ integer ដែល array នៃ integer ហ្នឹងវាមានពីរផ្នែកផ្នែកទី1 index element ទី1ជា total quality by date ហើយទី2 total profit by date អញ្ចឹងវានឹង sum logic មួយនេះគឺវានឹង sum all តម្លៃ all quantity ដែលបាន order ទាំងអស់ចាប់តាំងពីគាត់បើកហាងហ្នឹង sum ចូលមួយគ្នាគិតមកត្រឹម date ដែលគាត់ចង់ដាក់ហ្នឹងហើយជាមួយនឹង profit ដូចគ្នាគឺវា sum មកទាំងអស់គិតត្រឹម date ដែលគាត់ដាក់ហ្នឹងហើយវាជា return ជា array នៃ integer មួយហ្នឹងហើយចូលដល់ feature មួយទៀតគឺ get all report អត់មានអីខុសគ្នាណាមួយទេគ្រាន់តែយើងត្រូវការតែ parameter មួយទៀតគឺ file name ហើយបន្តមកទៀតគឺយើងនឹង check ហើយយើងនឹងសាមចូលគ្នាទៅទៅ total quality នៃ total price profit ចាប់តាំងពីគាត់ដាក់ខាងហ្នឹងមកហើយគាត់លក់ហើយយើងមកនេះគឺយើងប្រើប្រាស់ជា array ដូចគ្នាហើយចូលដល់មួយទៀតគឺ order item ដែលវាជា return ជា array of object ខុសពីអានេះគឺ array នៃ integer ពីខាងលើហើយខាងក្រោម array នៃ object ហើយយើងត្រូវការ parameter ពីរណាទី1គឺនឹងទៅទៅ item file នេះហើយទី2គឺ history file នេះហើយយើងនឹងយកហ្នឹងមក compare គ្នាដើម្បីធ្វើជា report មួយទៅតាម item មួយហើយយើងប្រើប្រាស់ data structure នៅក្នុង function ជា function ជាប្រភេទ array យើងប្រើប្រាស់ដូចគ្នាហើយយើងនឹង return ជា array នៃ object មួយចឹងណាហើយតើតើលទ្ធផលគឺយើងនឹង demo ឲ្យមើលនៅដែលនៅចំណុចបន្ទាប់ទៀតអានេះក៏ចង់ណែនាំទៅថា function មួយហ្នឹងជាប្រភេទ return type អីហើយវាការ parameter ជាហើយ execute ដើម្បីបានលទ្ធផលមកចឹងណាចឹងអរគុណច្រើនគ្រូហើយដល់ការងារបន្តគឺយើងតទៅ
This is our result for cafe for our CLI coffee management system, and we have here is our main page and our program in here. This is our employee panel. They can log in and place order, but in order to log in, they have to enter a username and also the password. And for the sign up option, they will require a new username that never exists in the database. Here, this is the place that we are placing the order for the customer. As you can see here, we have the menu, and when we will place an order, it will let us confirm the order, and then it will print the invoice, and then it go back to the menu again. This is our admin panel, and we have 9 options in the admin panel. As you can see here, we have our program. First option is employee panel, and then we have the option to log in and place order, and then the other option is sign up. When we are placing an order, we need to enter the username and also the password. As you can see here, we have the option to choose from 1 to 8, and you can add the menu in the admin panel too. Right here, we are gonna ask the user to place more order or to finish the order. Right now, I'm gonna finish the order. And then this is the confirmation panel. As you can see, if you press number 1, it will confirm the order, and then press any number to print the customer invoice. As you can see here, we have the invoice for the customer, and I'm gonna go back to our admin panel. In admin panel, we also have the password and username for the user to log in. As you can see here, we have the change employee information. In here, you can change the username or password of your employee. And number 2 is add coffee item. And then I'm gonna add number. Enter the name of that item, like G or something. T. And then I'm gonna enter the price of my item, like $3 or something. And right now I'm gonna confirm. And as you can see here, when I go to view my item, it will show up in the menu. Also, you can delete the item. For example, I want to delete the number 8, so I'm gonna press number 8, and then I'm gonna go back to see my menu in the number 5. As you can see here, the item was deleted. And for number 4, update item. I'm gonna update like number 7, and I'm gonna enter the new name like meal. About the price, you can add your own price. And then I'm gonna go to view my menu. As you can see here, it changed to meal. For the update admin detail, we can update like change username, change password. For the number 7, you can view report. For example, I'm gonna pick number 4. As you can see here, it shows the report by the item. For number 8, you can view your employee. As you can see here, my employee have 2. And this is all the program that we have. And thank you.